Konnichiwa. Today, I'm gonna be preparing my lunch for tomorrow because tomorrow is our school's field trip. So we were asked to bring our own lunch. I was craving for buta kimchi, so that's what I'm gonna make tonight. By the way, sorry if I sound so like nasal and my eyes are red and stuff. The Kaplan show started. Kaplan show is hay fever, and I have a bad hay fever. So yeah, I'm gonna deal with this for the next 2-3 months, so bear with me. Anyways, so yeah, let's start cooking. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. So for the soup, I bought this one from the supermarket. It's kimchi, no dake, nabe tsuyu. I forgot this kanji, but yeah, I think it's nabe. I got two of these because I'm not sure how much will I need. But just in case, I bought two. Every time I make buta kimchi, I always make a lot, like too much actually. So I'll try not to do that this time. Okay, so our pork looks so good. Okay, now I'm just gonna put this one. Okay. Okay. So just wait for it to kind of like boil. Then after that, I'm gonna add the cabbages and the enoki mushroom and also the mixed veggies. Yeah, it's so easy. Like it took me like I don't know, like less than 10 minutes to put them together. But yeah, that will be my dinner. No, my lunch for tomorrow. Okay, so I remember now. I forgot to buy some tofu. I usually put tofu whenever I make this one, but yeah, I forgot it. So, shonganai. Okay, so while I'm preparing the buta kimchi, I'm also gonna make goya champuru. Well, I'm not really sure if it's the same recipe, but I'll just saute some pork, add some eggs, and frozen goya. So I'm just gonna cut some garlic and onions again for my goya champuru. This kapon show is really making my life hard. So yeah, for those who don't know, I'm actually a preschool teacher here in Japan. I love my job so much. I don't feel like I'm working. Every day, like when I see my students, I don't know, I just feel energized, you know? Like I just love what I'm doing. I'm really grateful for my company because they're just the best, you know? They really take care of the welfare of the teachers. Like I just really love what I'm doing here. My boss is amazing, my coworkers are great. Yeah, I really love my job. Okay, so almost ready. Okay, so now that our soup is boiling, I'm gonna add the cabbages, mushroom, and the mixed veggies. Okay, I'm gonna add the cabbages first. Here. Low heat. Put it there. Okay, mix, mix, mix. And the enoki mushroom. I think I put too much veggies. Vegetables is good though. Next, I'm gonna put the mixed veggies I got from Gyeongsupa. Okay, just put them right there. And we're done. We're just gonna wait for that for like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so now that the meat is cooked, I'm going to transfer it to this bowl because I'm gonna saute the garlic and onions. Okay, so this leftover oil is what I'm gonna use to saute my garlic and onion. Okay, so I'll just have some of this goya champuru. I'm not really sure if I can call this goya champuru, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get some soup right here. Okay, just a little because I already had dinner. I just really wanna try if it's really good. Okay, so I'll try the food that we just cooked. Itadakimasu. It's good. I love it. And goya champuru. So good. I'm so happy. Hey, so today is Friday and I'm wearing my cap because I'm gonna go and get a haircut. Yan, medyo mahaba na yung buhok natin. So, I'm planning to really have a short haircut this time because it's allergy season like what I mentioned before. And kapag mahaba yung buhok ko, parang I get a lot of pollen on it. So, I decided to have a shorter haircut this time. And Sabi yun sa internet, guys. Hindi ko gawa-gawa yun. But, yeah. The pollen can get into your hair. So, yun yung sabi nila. Anyways, I'm gonna walk there. And, yeah, tingnan natin. See ya. 네. Ba't ganyan yung shape?
Hindi, may balon din yan. May balon.
Happy birthday, Maris!
Wow. Oo. Depende sa'yo. Ikaw yung birthday girls.
Wow!
Uy! The hamburger looks yummy.
Uy, walang makain sa heart ni Maris, ha?
Uy, ang galing nito ah. Ang galing. May dessert na may ulam pa. Talaga siya pa yung may buhat ng burger stick ko. Uy, sorry. Baka
Sword, grabe si Richard.
Okay,
May
okay.
content na naman siya ngayon sa kanya.
Oo nga. Baka akalain mo mag-viral to.
Hamburger
Yung
na
hamburger
yun.
cake.
Bawala.
Uy, uy, uy. Uy, uy, uy. Paano? Recorded yun.
Oh my gosh!
Dear Maris, happy birthday to you.
Thank you!
Okay.
37.
Okay. Oh, blow your burger.
So we pray, Father, that may you help us as we pass our...
Hinuli, binugbog without trial. So, may pressure sa kanya. So, ginawa niya, naghanap muna siya ng... So, makikita natin dito, ang kanyang panawagan, binold letter.
Yo, let's go. Hey everyone, it's Friday, so I'm just gonna go to the station to catch the train and meet my friends. We're gonna have dinner tonight. We're going to a Mexican restaurant. So these friends are from the language exchange group that I used to attend to, but recently because I've been so busy, I didn't have the time to meet them. But finally, I'm gonna meet them again. So really looking forward to see them. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I was actually thinking of that.
何これ
カメラ。
カメラ
すごいよね。
GoPro? 押すの
あ、押すもん、押すもん。
あ、カメラこっちにあんだ
そうそうそう、こっちにある。
おー面白い
はい、いいよ、先にどうぞ、みんな。もう、Can I just take a video of this? すごい。
We got an award?
Thank you.
Oh, that's me.
Looks so good. やばい。やばいこれ。 May live din ako sa train. Hi. Jiggy, 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 jiggy. Kuzi. Kuzi boy. Oh, who's this? Austin, who's this? Kuzi boy, look. Look. Oh, oh. Kuzi boy. Kuzi, Kuzi, Kuzi. Come here, come here. Kuzi boy. Oh. Austin, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Kuchi, kuchi, kuchi. Kuchi. Eh? 嘘でしょ嘘でしょなんで We got the twins. Hello, Amia. Amia. Say hello. Hello. Oh, where's the other twin? Aliyah. Where's Mama? Mama, Mama. Where's Daddy?
Hi.
Papa, Papa. Working. Oh. Oh, Amia. Amia, look. Amia, look. Amia, look. What's that? Austin, Austin, I'm gonna eat. Aliyah, jiggy, 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 jiggy. Jiggy, jiggy, jiggy.
Ow. Gutom ka ba?
Doga. Kore? Okay? Kore? Is it? Okay? This one? Say please. Please. Bye-bye. Ba. What did you? No. Okay, sit. Nani yoshi? Good, eh? Please.
Gagit.
Dino?
Nandito po ako ngayon kasi dinala po ako ni Miss Bon. Yan, siya po yung may pakana.
Like, I didn't know that steak restaurant before. Yeah. Wow, look at the waves. Anong celebrity yan?
Gusto ko ng pancake. Ako dyan. Ako din. Pag-ibig, tsaka pag-ibig.
At least pag nagkamali ka, marunong ka mag
Magaganito.
Pwede na tayo mag-is.
Oh, nawawala ko doon. Balik.
April ako napunta dito
Tito Boy.
sa Makinuhara. First week pa lang. Actually, pagkadating agad, nag-search na ako ng church. Siyempre, bago sa Japan. Yung mga old ALTs na nasa Hamamatsu, nag-invite sa aming mga bago para mag-karaoke, gala-gala. ganun. Ini-invite namin sa Tilinda. Sa Tilinda, tara, magkano tayo sa car. Tapos, ay, sorry, hindi ako makakapunta kasi mag-church ako Saturday ng gabi pala yun. Mag-church ako tomorrow. Alam mo, na-excite ako.
Yeah.
Bigla. Tapos sabi niya na, Sagara. Sabi, taga Sagara ako, malapit na sa Makinuhara. Pagkakita ko, pagdadrive ko, shucks, ito yung sinesearch ko. Pagdating ko doon na nag-start. Na nakapag-ano na talaga.
Ganun na yung Diyos ako.
Hindi, buti na lang malayo yung dito sa bahay.
Sarap ito, oh.
Tuwa ka naman.
I love this one more. Kasi you can really taste them. Ang tabang. Walang halong biro. The best gyoza that I've tried.